What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut on PC. Seriously, this is nothing but good news. I use it on my phone and it's totally awesome, and it's what? Free of charge. Well, let me show you I can download CapCut on PC. So let's go right there. All you need to do is type CapCut, okay, .com, click enter, and whoa, look at it right here guys, download for PC. So we're gonna come here and click on it. Okay, it's downloading. It says 333 MB. Wow, this is really cool. So let me tell you a little about CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app available for both Android and iOS, but recently now available for PC. It offers several useful editing features that lets you edit videos on your smartphone to share on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. But now you can now download it on your PC, and this is really like awesome, seriously. Okay, so it's done installing. Now we're going to click on this arrow, then click open. Oh, look at the interface right here, it really looks nice. Okay, it's opening up. So we're gonna click agree. So we agree with CapCut user license agreement and privacy policy. You can go through it later on. So I'm just going to click install now. If you don't click the agree button, you won't be able to install it. Okay, you can see right here it's installing. Okay, so it's done installing, and we click start. So right here it says testing environment. So basically it's testing my system to see if my system is compatible with the application. Compatible to run the application. So now it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So click on confirm. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to start a project. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, so this is the interface. So I'm going to click here to import my video. Then let's check out the audio. Wow. Let's start the text. So I think I can do the local captioning, because it says here a local caption or auto caption. Wow, that's good. It's as if they have the same features from the mobile is being brought to the Windows, to the PC right now. Effects, okay, let's check here. Whoa, I have all the emojis are right here, the stickers, look at them. Okay, we see the stickers right here. Let's go to the effects. What do we have? Oh, this is just wonderful. This is just good. Oh wow. Though you need to download it. You can see this arrow right here going down. You need to download all these, so likely you might want to have your internet on. Okay, effects. Then adjust the custom. Okay, that's good. Let's come back here. So to import a video, there are two ways you can do it. we can either click here. I'm gonna click here, then see if we can find the video. No, on one side. Okay. I can just click here to bring in the video. So I'm just bring this in, for example. Okay, that's it. Or I could minimize it, then drag in the video from here. Just bring it here. Okay. So I'm gonna drag it down. Okay. So this is where I can view the video. Okay. Well, extra things here. So let's play this. What's up, guys? Okay, let's stop. Wow, this is good. So I'm going to reduce this. Okay, yeah. This is the zoom in and out. So I'm zooming out of it. Okay, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, makes it looks more better. So I can cut the video. So I'm gonna cut, bring it all the way. Gonna click here to split it. So split, then delete. This is it, guys. So export the video. I'm gonna click here to export it when I'm done. This is just wonderful. This is good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, because I'll be making more videos like this. Bye.